Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to extract square roots from the given exact square. This technique is very simple and interesting. Only thing is to memorize the simple square table. Let's talk about the silent feature for finding the square roots. If you look at the table carefully, you find that the square of 5 is 25. That means last digit is 5, which we treated as a center of table. Now, if you observe other numbers, that you come to know that the ending digit of square of 1, 2, 3, 4 are equal to the last digit of square of 6, 7, 8, 9, which are 1, 4, 9, 6 respectively, and the square of 10 is 100. I hope this is the simple way to help you memorize this table, and once you got it, then it's very simple to find the square root of any numbers. Now we are going for the examples. Our first example is 6241. To extract the square root of 6241, first we have to group the given numbers into from right side. So what we come to know? How many digits in the square root? In our example, first group is 41 and the second group is 62, means two groups. So that means the square root of given number contains two digits. After knowing the number of digits in square roots, in step 2, look at the second group, which is number 62. Now search this number in the table from beginning, and we found that the given number is between 49 and 64, which is the square of 7 and the square of 8. Now what we have to do is simply neglect 8 as 7 square, that is 49 is less than the given number 62. We take 7 as the tens place digit of square root and we write it here. Now in step 3, we are going to find the unit place digits in square root. Look at the first group. This group contains 41. Then we again take help of table, but now this time we simply check the last digit, that is 1 in the square table. Then we find that square of 1 is 1 and square of 9 is 81. Both contain last digits 1 in their squares. So the unit place digit will be 1 or 9. Now in fourth step, we have to finalize which one is correct unit place digit. For that, what we have to do is, we know our 10th place digit is 7. So we are going to calculate the square of 75. If you all knows the Vedic trick of evaluating square of number with the last digit 5, you can do it mentally. Here I am doing for you. What we have to do is simply write 5 square 25 as it is and multiply 7 with its next higher integer, which is 8, which comes 56, and here we get our square of 75, which is 5625. Now compare this number with our given number 6241. It is clear that our number 6241 41 is greater than the square of 75. So here we take 9 as our unit plus digit. If your given number is less than the square of 75, then in this case we use 1 as a unit plus digit in place of 9. So keep it in your mind and don't be confused. So the square root of 6241 is 79. Now we take the second example of 529. Like the previous example, to extract the square root, simply group them into form right. We get 29 in first and 5 in second group. Likewise, previous example, simply find the second group digit 5 in the square column of square table, which we get here in between 4 and 9, that is square of 2 and 3 respectively. So again avoid the major number 3 and write 2 as a tens place digit. Now for the unit place digit, simply find the last digit number of first group, which is 9 in the square table, which we found is in 3 square, that is 9, and again in 7 square, that is 49. So we get two values for unit place digit. Again, to finalize the correct unit place digit, we are going to compare the given number with the square of 25. As we know, the tens place digit is 2, so 25. Got it? So finally calculate the square of 25, which is easy one and which comes out 625. Now compare with our example 529 and we get 529 is less than 625. So we take 3 as a tens place digit here. Finally, we get our answer 23 as the square root of 529. By using this same method, you can extract square root of exact square number. I hope you got it. If any problem is there, then go and watch this video one more time and solve your own examples.